Contract invoicing. Welcome to this video tutorial on contract invoicing. This video will cover how to set up a fixed price contract and an invoiced contract. When adding a new planned maintenance contract, you will have the option to either set a fixed price per visit or set up ad hoc invoices. In this first example, we are going to set up a fixed price contract. Select the fixed price option, as shown here. You will now be asked for a default value per visit. Now you will be asked to confirm where the fixed price invoices are to be sent. Once you have selected this, use the Save option. Now add the number of visits required. See Setting up a PPM contract video for guidance. The contract value will now display on the main contract screen, as shown here. As this is a fixed price contract, the invoices will be automatically sent out after each visit is completed. In the next example, we will set up a contract that is invoiced on an ad hoc basis. When adding a contract, select the invoice option, as shown here. Then save the contract information. You can now add an invoice at any time by selecting the Add Invoice tab, as shown. This allows you to set up annually in advance or ad hoc through the term of the contract. The contract value will show on the main screen as per the invoices. The invoice will be generated in draft, which can then be altered if required. Select the clone option and you can specify the number of draft invoices to be cloned. By selecting the Generate option, an invoice number will be set, and the invoice lines can no longer be edited as per a standard invoice. Thank you for watching this tutorial on contract invoicing.